pardon me. Okay, British Airways. British Airways Boeing 747-800, guys. She's pushed. She's on her way out to Singapore now. She's on taxi at the moment, but I'm only joking, guys. It's obviously a flight sim, so it's not in real life. I know someone's going, it's a flight sim. It's over the top of me. What's that coming towards me? Oh, is it? Oh, is it Singapore Airlines? Is it? Okay. A350. Wow, all the way to Singapore from New York. Oh, that's long. That is. It'll take you all day to get all the way out there. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to. Maybe I'm gonna have to do Singapore to New York. But it have to be a 777 though. I ain't got others of Singapore Airlines. Unless I can do United from Houston to Singapore, and then we're all sorted on Friday. Is that 350? That is, isn't it? From New York, JFK. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Going all the way to New York, Singapore, eh? Look at that big cloud there. Looks like it's cloudy down there. Here is, and it's not, a little bit. There's some clouds over me right now. Sun's just gone in it. My feet are cold. Barely hear it as well. Warning for Max Jet. So 47's pushed back. Yeah, I know it has, yeah. Going to New York. No, it's not. It's going to Singapore. It's a new route for this jumbo. It's also doing daily flights, so every, I don't know what day, but every... What a fuck... Sorry, excuse me. There she goes, wow. Thank you, guys. Now we're going to capture this jumbo going out to Singapore. So we'll see in a bit.